Hi guys, learn spoken English. In this video, we will learn 25 daily use sentences which help you to improve spoken English. So without any further ado, let's start the video. ठीक से कहो, speak clearly, speak clearly. अभी फोन रखो, hang up now, hang up now. कुछ भी तो नहीं, nothing at all, nothing at all. वहाँ तुरंत जाओ, go there at once, go there at once. मैं जल्दबाजी में भूल गया, I forgot in haste, I forgot in haste. सब खत्म हो गया, all is over, all is over. तुम शायद सही हो, you may be right, you may be right. इसमें वक्त लगेगा, it will take time, it will take time. तुम बदल गए हो, you have changed, you have changed. अफवाह मत फैलाओ, don't spread rumor, don't spread rumors. तमाशा मत करो, don't create a scene, don't create a scene. एक योजना बनाओ, make a plan, make a plan. कुछ नहीं होगा, nothing will happen, nothing will happen. मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ, I am not like that, I am not like that. इसका क्या मतलब, What does it mean, What does it mean? मैं अपनी गलती मानता हूँ, I admit my mistake, I admit my mistake. यह बिल्कुल सही है, It's absolutely right, It's absolutely right. यह मेरा अंतिम फैसला है, This is my final decision, This is my final decision. वह एक अपवाद है, That is an exception, That is an exception. आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे, What would you like to have, What would you like to have? लालची मत बनो, Don't be greedy, Don't be greedy. मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है, I am feeling dizzy, I am feeling dizzy. वह तारीफ के काबिल है, He is worth praising, He is worth praising. इतना मेरे लिए काफ़ी है, That's enough for me, That's enough for me. हार मत मानो, Don't give up, Don't give up. So friends, ये थे 25 daily use sentences. I hope you will like this video. Keep practicing with this sentence. I will see you in my next video with more sentences. Till then, take care of yourself and keep learning.